Today I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video on Figma in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful trick if you want to add video previews, presentations, tutorials, or product demos directly into your Figma design without needing any complicated workarounds. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find the right plugin, insert it into your file, and customize the player size to fit your layout perfectly. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma design file. Once you're inside your canvas, take a look at the bottom toolbar and find the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps a lot of useful tools, including plugins and widgets that can help you work faster. Click on the Actions icon to open the menu. In the menu, you'll want to select the Plugins and Widgets tab. This section is where you can search for extra tools that expand what Figma can do. In the search bar, type YouTube and Vimeo video. This is the widget we're looking for because it allows you to embed a YouTube video right inside your design file. Once you see it in the results, click on it and then click Run. Figma will launch the widget and place it into your project. This is the step that activates the Embed tool and gets everything ready for your video link. Now go to YouTube and copy the URL of the video you want to embed. Make sure you copy the full video link so the widget can detect it properly. After that, return to Figma and paste the YouTube video URL into the widget's input field. This tells the widget exactly which video you want displayed in your design. After pasting the link, you can choose your preferred player size. The widget usually gives you options like small, medium, or large, so pick the one that matches the layout of your design. If you want a clean, compact look, go with small. If you need something more visible for presentations or demos, medium or large may be the better choice. And that's it, your YouTube video is now embedded in Figma. You can move it around, resize it if needed, and position it wherever it fits best in your design. This is a really easy way to make your mockups, presentations, and collaborative files more interactive and visual. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.